Hi everyone, I'm Oria bench scientist at ExKits. Follow my channel, and you'll get all the go-to info on assay kits from standard protocols and practical tips to troubleshooting, plus the core science behind each assay. I'll break it all down for you. As a lab-based tech enthusiast, I'm always eager to dive into all things related tech with you and geek out over the science. Naturally, I'm proud of my company ExKits, an innovation-driven sub-brand of EnkiLife, with one core mission: relentless R&D of premium assay kits. From ELISA and metabolism assays to IHC panels, we're pushing the limits of what's measurable with detection technology. Our veteran scientists and cutting-edge platforms let our assay kits deliver lab-ready accuracy, rock-solid reliability, user-friendly design, and wallet-friendly pricing, all wrapped into one to fit your research needs. Our modern R&D center boasts state-of-the-art instrumentation and is backed by ISO 9001 to 2015 certification, so every piece of your experimental data meets audit-grade standards. We're excited to partner with researchers and industry peers worldwide to accelerate progress in the life sciences.